Hey everyone, this is Max with Tucker USA. Today we're going to be going over the Tucker H2Pro. This is a 3-stage cart with a 30-inch carbon, 40-inch RO, and 30-inch DI. Over on the front of the cart, we have the 110-volt half-horsepower US motor, as well as the Fluiditech rotary vane pump. We also have the regulator preset to 120 psi, as well as a power switch. It comes with a 10-foot inline GFCI cord, as well as an RODI toggle. All of the inlets and outlets are located on the side of the cart. In this video, I will be using a Tucker Junior pole along with an alpha scrubber. With me, I have one of the 2 boxed 30-inch DI cartridges that we're going to be installing into the cart, as it does not come with one pre-installed. For the next part of the video, we are going to need a 1/2-inch wrench and a 1/2-inch drill motor with a socket. I am now going to use my wrench and socket to disconnect the steel clamp from the rim of the DI housing. I'm going to remove the hose and the black cap and open up the insert out of the plastic film. I'm going to drop it in with the brine seal facing up. I will then reinstall the lid, secure the clamp back around the rim of the housing, and reconnect the hose to the push-to-fit fitting located on top of the black lid. Then, I will connect an inlet hose into the female fitting located on the side of the cart. Next, I will connect an outlet hose to the center male fitting, which is the DI outlet on the side of the cart. Next, I will lay the cart down so I can gain access to the bottom of the cart, as well as the plastic plug and manila tag sealing the carbon filter. Now, I will remove the plastic plug sealing the carbon filter. On the loose hose next to it is a stem elbow. I'm going to remove that and insert it into the elbow on the carbon fitting so I can direct the carbon water away from the cart and onto the ground. Now, I will turn on water at the source. After some time, carbon water will begin to flow out of the bottom of the cart. Be sure to run this until the water turns clear, which should take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we are going to reverse our steps, putting the stem elbow back onto the loose hose and connecting it to the carbon, completing the plumbing to the rest of the cart. Now I will connect the cart to power. Ensure the cart has power indicated by the green light appearing on the inline GFCI. Next, ensure the bypass valve is open by making sure that it is in line with the red hose and not perpendicular, intersecting it. With water running through the cart, turn on the pump. Let the cart run for 10 to 15 minutes in order to prime the RO. Set the RODI toggle to the downward position, sending water out of the RO-only outlet. Next, close the bypass valve to engage the RO and move water through the rest of the system. You will then see the pressure on the cart increase. Then, with your handheld TDS meter, take a reading of the water coming out of your RO-only port. Check to see if it is reducing the incoming TDS by 90% or higher. Then move the RO/DI toggle up to the DI position. Once water is flowing out of your DI hose, with your handheld TDS meter, get a reading on this water and ensure that you are getting pure water out of your system. You can then turn off power to the pump and the water source and connect the quick connect to the outlet of your choosing. Attach any brush you like into the number 1 clamp on any Tucker pole, and then connect the water supply hose to the head of that brush. Then, turn the tap water and pump power back on to supply water to the brush. You are now ready to start cleaning. If you have any questions, feel free to call in at 303-663-1779 or email the front desks at info@rhgproducts.com.